holiday lull? It didn't happen. This week we saw a $22 billion check, a power grab from Nvidia and Meta, and the first laws that force AI to stop hiding in the shadows.
Plus, you can finally control ChatGPT's personality. China is cracking down on AI that makes you fall in love. And Jony Ive is officially building hardware for OpenAI.
I'm Aiden.
And I'm Arya. This is the AI Weekly Digest. Let's start with the money.
We start with the checkbook because the numbers are getting absurd. SoftBank is racing to fulfill a $22.5 billion funding commitment to OpenAI. Masayoshi Son is basically betting his legacy on Sam Altman.
And that money is landing in an ecosystem that's being eaten alive by big tech. Meta just acquired Manus, a Chinese-founded AI startup, to boost its advanced stack. Nvidia is on a shopping spree too. On top of its licensing deal with Grok, reports say it's in talks to buy AI 21 Labs for $3 billion.
That's how you build a defensive moat. Buy the talent, buy the models, buy the distribution. And it's happening because the market is tightening. Venture capitalists told the Wall Street Journal that 2026 will be a weeding out year. If you're an AI startup without a real product, you're done.
Meanwhile, in China, the winners are starting to separate from the noise. GPU designer Biren doubled on its Hong Kong debut, and Zhipu AI is lining up for an IPO. The message is clear. This is no longer a playground. It's an industry. On the product side, OpenAI finally shipped a feature users have wanted for years. You can tune ChatGPT's personality. Instead of one generic robot voice, you can make it enthusiastic, calm, or direct.
It sounds small, but it changes how people relate to the tool. It stops feeling like a generic chatbot and starts feeling like a teammate you can configure.
Under the hood, the race is for efficiency. DeepSeek's CEO published a paper on a new MHC architecture designed to squeeze more reasoning out of fewer compute cycles.
And rumors are now confirmed. OpenAI is building a new audio model with hardware led by legendary designer Jony Ive. That points straight at dedicated voice-first devices, not just another app on your phone.
China is pushing the hardware frontier too. LightGen showed an optical AI chip that uses light instead of electricity and claims up to 100 times GPU-level speed for certain tasks.
For gamers and creators, Nvidia introduced Nitrogen, a universal game AI that can learn to play almost anything. And Qwen released a new image model with real layering support, finally giving designers Photoshop-style control over AI art. In the physical world, robots and cars are getting upgrades. Boston Dynamics is bringing a new Atlas robot to CES, shifting from parkour demos to factory work and logistics.
Waymo, meanwhile, is dropping Google Gemini straight into its Robotaxis. The car can talk to you, answer questions, control the AC, and act like an in-car AI assistant.
That sounds futuristic, right up until it crashes. Waymo suffered a major outage in San Francisco this week, a reminder that smart fleets can still be bricked by software.
China is looking ahead to the psychological risks. Regulators drafted rules for emotional AI, systems that mimic human connection and can make users feel attached or even in love. The goal is transparency, so people know when they're being emotionally steered by code and not by a person.
A US startup called Pickle just launched Pickle One smart glasses. They record what you see and hear, then let you search your day like a timeline. Pickle calls it memory bubbles, but it also raises big privacy questions. Finally, the law is catching up. On January 1st, California's AI Transparency Act, SB 942, kicks in. This is a big one.
It requires large AI systems to provide watermarking tools and clear disclosure when content is AI-generated. Text, images, audio, video. If you made it with AI, you have to say it's AI.
Ignore that. Keep serving unlabeled deepfakes, and the state can hit you with civil penalties. This isn't best practice anymore, it's compliance.
At the same time, the lawsuits are stacking up. A New York Times reporter and other authors are suing Google, OpenAI, and XAI, calling model training on books and articles the Great Book Heist.
And OpenAI has publicly acknowledged what security researchers have been saying for years. Browser-based AI agents are fundamentally exposed to prompt injection and data leak attacks. The Wild West era is officially ending. From $22 billion bets to California law, the message this week is simple. AI is turning into a regulated, consolidated industry, with all the red tape and monopolies that come with it.
We'll be here to track who wins, who gets bought, and who disappears in 2026. I'm Aria.
I'm Aiden. Thanks for watching.